clue of where I'm going, of where I've been. I can't stop with you, 'cause where you're going is where I win. We're meant to be a team, our power flows like a stream. I never thought I'd find my dream, and I dream of never letting go. Okay, K.O.
I live to be wild.
It's what we're about. Okay, K.O. You always provide a mind open wide. Let's start the show.
Tonight, we're gonna draw T.K.O.
Fight till the end. You are my best friend. Let's be heroes.
That's short for Turbo.
Who's got the loop to get attention and take control?
Turbo is basically K.O.'s split personality.
I'm on a roll. Just on my own.
Yeah, he's strong as the regular K.O.
I'm not at my best. Just hold the phone. If we're all here, then ain't no problem left.
And to be honest,
Save the day. The only moves are power play.
the first time that T.K.O. and K.O. worked together was the fight against Boxman Jr. They're actually strong when they're unstoppable, when they have an unstoppable force.
You always provide a mind open wide. Let's start the show. Okay, K.O. You fight till the end. You are my best friend. Let's be heroes. Okay, K.O. Let's be heroes. All right. Guess who's coming right back again? Just when you thought you had him down. Well, that's my man, Gunna. Gonna get you when you think you're gonna get that. Gonna get you when you think you're gonna get that. Gonna get you when you think you're gonna get that. Gonna get you when you think you're gonna get that. Gonna get you when you think you're gonna get that. Gonna get you when you think you're gonna get that. K.O. It's good looking out. It's what we're about. Okay, K.O. You always provide a mind open wide. Let's start the show. Okay, K.O.
Here are his spiky armbands.
You are my best friend. Let's be heroes. Okay, K.O. Let's start the show.
Let's take the armband. Here's his feet.
Who's got a clue of where I'm going, of where I've been? I can't stop with you, 'cause where you're going is where I win. We're meant to be a team, our power
And one last thing to draw, his hair.
I never thought
It's like Super Saiyan 3.
and I dream of never letting go. Okay, K.O. It's good looking out. It's what we're about. Okay, K.O. You always provide a mind open wide. Let's start the show. Okay, K.O. You fight till the end. You are my best friend. Let's be heroes. Who's got the loop to get attention and take control?
There he is. That's how you draw T.K.O.
Who gives a hoot? I got my friends.
If you want to know more how to draw characters like this, I'd be happy to help you. How awesome was this episode, huh? Sometimes you gotta live your life to the fullest. Even the wildest is the strongest. Like Jasper. Anyhow, that's how you draw a T.K.O. Let's be heroes. Proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. T.K.O. will come back. Oh yeah. And in the K.O. subconscious, he provided a punching bag and a house for him. That ought to satisfy him.